Hello everyone, I am Sarika Chaudhary and welcome back to my YouTube channel. As title itself says, today's video is about bridal wear illustration with texture technique. I took reference from magazine for the illustration. I don't remember the designer's name, but I will try to find it out and I'll mention description box as well. So as always, first we will create a silhouette or the outline of the garment with hairline, jewelries, etc. And then we'll go into a detailing parts. So as you can see in the video, I am giving a highlights to the folds in the garment so that while coloring it will be easy for me. Once I am done with outline, I will go into doing skin color using water-based pencil color. You can do it in whichever way you want, like doing garment first, then skin color, and followed by jewelries and hair, or doing skin first, then jewelry, hairlines, and garment in the end. So each way is good as long as it works in your favor. As you can see, here I am giving base to the garment with shade of red color, and once it will dry, I will proceed to the next step. As the first layer is dried, I am creating design with texture method, which is like to draw any design with needle, empty pen or bobby pin or any not so pointed object. Then you can do coloring on top to highlight the design. Like we used to do it with coins in our childhood to create coin design on paper, like rubbing pencil while keeping the coin below the paper. That is also like creating a texture from an object. So yes, after creating texture part, I am again using water-based pencil color to give highlight to design. I am darkening the fold so that fold can be easily visible, or you can see it and you can feel it that there is a fold in the garment. If you want your design to be more highlighted, then you can darken the surrounding. I have attached the close-up look of like how the texture part is like popping up while you do a coloring on top. For jewelries, I don't go in deep for the element, and if you want, you can. Again, whatever works in your favor and you enjoy doing it. So for jewelry, I'm simply applying color to give an illusion of jewelries, and same I do with hairlines, giving a more highlights to the border. So in starting, I did a pencil color on skin portion. So I'm simply dipping brush in water and just applying a water on top of the pencils to give a smooth effect. So once the hair part is done, I'm adding some shade in skin part, like darkening the below growth area. And again using the same water based pencil color, and then again doing the same thing, like dipping brush in water and applying on top of color on paper. I want fold to be more darker, so I'm adding black color in every place wherever I feel like it should be more darker. So it's done, and I find it easy and less time consuming to do the illustration in this way. Thank you so much for being here, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you next time. Till then, take care and enjoy. Hit the subscribe button.